I Aparna Veer, Assistant Professor AIDS Department from AISSMSI College. Today I am going to discuss types of thread. First of all, what is thread? A thread is the smallest unit of execution in a process. What is process? A process is a program in execution. A process can have one or many threads working together. For example, this is a single process can have different threads. The next topic is types of thread. There are two types of thread. First is the user level thread and kernel level thread. The first type of thread is user level thread. What is user level thread? The user level threads are implemented by the user level software. User level threads are implemented by users and the kernel is not aware of their existence. User level threads are small and much faster than kernel level threads. User level threads are represented by a program counter, stack, registers, and a small PCB. The example of user level thread is handling keyboard unit, and second example of user level thread is downloading a file in a web browser. This is the structure of user level thread. User level thread having a kernel space and user space. In user space, the user level threads are present, and in a kernel level threads are present. Advantages and disadvantages of user level thread. First, advantages of user level thread. The first advantage is fast creation. In a user level thread, threads are created quickly. Then next advantage is quick switching. Switching between threads is fast. Then portable. The user level threads are portable, means can run on any system. Then next advantage is low overhead. Uses less memory and resources. Last advantage of user level thread is easy to manage, controlled by the program using libraries. Disadvantages of user level threads are: first is the one blocks all. If one thread is blocked, all threads stop. Limited performance, means it is not suitable for heavy or CPU bound tasks. Last advantage of user level thread, disadvantage of user level thread is poor IO handling, means blocking IO operations can freeze all threads. The second type of thread is kernel level thread. What is kernel level thread? Kernel level threads are handled by the operating system directly. The context information for the process as well as the process thread is all managed by the kernel. Kernel level threads are slower than user level threads. Kernel level threads have their own execution context, including registers, stacks, and program counters managed by the operating system. Kernel level threads use a system call to interact with the operating system. The example of kernel level threads are: first example is when you can open a website. Your request goes to a web browser server, that is Apache or Tomcat. The second example of kernel level thread is this server use kernel level threads to handle multiple users. And next example of kernel level thread is each user request opening a page is handled by a separate thread. Thank you.